everybody, it's your girl Cindy Winters here. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I am so excited. I've given my website a full makeover. I am so excited to share with you the brand new website. So when I decided that I was going to give my website a makeover, I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I also gave away gifts? I only like gifts that I can use, like a pen or chapstick or soap. And because I can't touch you or be with you, I figured I'll send something that I can send through the airwaves. Digital. Digital. Do you feel it? You feel it? It's awkward. I hate getting gifts that I can't use. So, in true Cindy Winters fashion, this free gift is something you can use. So the first thing we do before we start singing, before we start doing anything, is breath control. So the first thing we're going to work on is our breathing. You can't sing if you don't have any breath. So just imagine that the air is going in through your nose and down into your belly, not into your chest, okay? We're not going to deal with chest right now. We're dealing with the air going down into your belly. And if you can imagine that the air fills up your belly like a balloon, you are in a good place. So let's take a nice deep breath in. Go. Okay, so let's be aware not to raise our shoulders when we're breathing, okay? You can only see my shoulders, and so I'm gonna breathe in right now. They didn't move, but my belly is filled with air. My diaphragm is pushed down, and I'm getting ready to breathe out. So I'm gonna do it again for you. Ready, and go. Awesome. Now, the next thing I want you to do is the S sound, just like the S sound. And just hold that S for as long as you can. Ready? Go. Excellent. You run out of breath? You run out of breath. I've been singing a long time and I've been breathing a long time, so my time might be a little longer than yours right now, but you'll get better. But also, like I always say, be better than me. Be better than me. So we do that exercise about 2 or 3 times. Go ahead and really figure it out. Roll your shoulders back, really get into your body, get comfortable with just right? For the first vocal exercise, we're gonna do a closed vowel, an open vowel, and a mid vowel, okay? So we're gonna make the sound Beyoncé. Are you ready? Let's do it. You saw we had to put a little flavor in there. So when we're going up, Beyoncé. Make sure that you're engaging your abs, your abdomen, and you're giving that same like I'm blocking to get punched in the stomach energy when you go B, just like shh, Beyoncé. And so with that energy, you're just going forward and forward and forward. Not your neck or your body, just the sound is going Beyoncé. Awesome. Let's move on to the next exercise. All right, for this next exercise, we're gonna do say my name. Say my name. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Say my name. 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 Great job. So you want to remember when we're doing say my name, we're going to slide from those bottom notes through the top notes. We're going to slide from the bottom note through the top note and come back down, okay? Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Okay? Awesome job. I am so fierce. I am so fierce. Stop. I forgot to tell you something. So, when you're doing this exercise, we're going to be working on transitioning from our chest voice to our head voice. So, if we're saying, you want to feel that in your chest, breathe down. It's a nice vibration in your chest, right? And then when you go, I am, you use that yeah to start to transition from your chest voice up into your head voice like an opera singer. I am so fierce. Okay? So actually do it in one breath. I am so fierce. And play with it. Play with it. You don't have to be loud. You just need to be pulled, honey. Just give me that attitude, okay? I am so fierce. All right, let's try it again. I am so fierce. 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 But those are your 3 vocal warm-ups you can do in your lower register and your upper register for my friends with lower voices and my friends with higher voices. And if you have any questions, make sure that you click and subscribe to my channel. Ask me any questions, drop in the comments below, and I will be happy to make a video about it. I am so happy to be sharing this with you. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that it's super helpful for you. If you have any more questions and you want to coach with me, that's easy. Head over to my website, click on the Roar School button, and find out more information. I'll see you real soon. I love you so much. Peace.